The first stage is complete. All of the pavers are in, the wall is in, and all of the plants on the hill are in and irrigated and done. So I'll do a big tour when we're completely done, but there's a little bit right here that's left. This is going to be bushes and plants right here and trees right here. But we have a hot tub that's going to be put in right here from Sundance. It's an Aspen, it's a big hot tub. The hot tub company was here today to figure out how to get the hot tub from the front to the back. It's going to go on this section that has an 8-inch base of rock under here, so it can hold about the 6,000 or 7,000 pounds that the hot tub is. It's a big one. And then when they're done, we will put in the plants through here, grade all this out, and put in the bushes over here. They're just leaving this open so that it'll be easy to slide the hot tub in and we don't ruin any plants. There'll be some plants there. There is a railing on the steps that I'm going to do. So it's going to be a wire black railing that I'm going to do hopefully soon, and then I'm going to fix the house siding. But after about 3 weeks, we have most of the project done. The wall took about a week. The paver patio definitely took the longest part, and that cost the most for the whole project. But it's really exciting to see everything coming to an end. We'll definitely do an update when it's really done and you can see how everything looks. But the next thing to do is the siding, and then probably the handrail, and then the hot tub, and then the final plants and some grading. And there'll be grass that gets put in on the other side. They just put down the polymeric sand, so I don't really want to step on it. But it has this nice soldier course or picture frame around the edge, and I really like that. So that's pretty nice. Just adds a good touch. When you look at the top view down, it has a cool outline to it. And so we have a pergola that will go here, and we'll maybe put one out through there. But here's the edge, and this is parallel to the house. So that's nice. And we've got a 90-degree, and this will be like a little walkway right here between the two trees. Maybe put some bricks right here. So pretty excited, but that's the end of phase 1. Hopefully in the next week, we'll be able to get the rest. We're calling the electric company tomorrow, and then they can put the hot tub in, and then they'll come put the plants. So it might not take too much longer. It's also 110 degrees right now. So, of course, the hottest time of the year to get a hot tub. But we will see you in the next one.